can see this website of OpenClaw, and what it does, it's just the assistant which can do your day-to-day work. So you can just integrate into the Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Slack, Signal. So I'll show you how you can do it. So first of all, you have to visit on their GitHub. Okay, so this is their GitHub, and there's this documentations also. This is the documentation, and here is everything you can read about the OpenClaw and how you can install it, and all. People are like asking how you can do it, and it's just a pretty easy and simple steps if you can follow. Okay, so there's this install CLI recommend it, which you can just copy this command and you can go into your terminal and you can paste it there. So if for a Windows PowerShell you have to use this command. For global install you can use any command from this. As you know, the npm is faster than npm to install things. So if you want to install before, you will have to install the npm or npm package before that. So you can just type on browser like npm install, okay, or npm install. Then you will see there's this npm documents, and if you search the npm install, then you will see the npm documentations. Okay, so let me just click on this npm installation, and here you can see this how you can install the npm. It's just pretty easy to download. You can just go here and you can like this, click on this download Node.js download page, and here you will have to select your system. As it is mine Windows. If you are on a Mac OS, then you will have to select Mac OS, Linux, X. You can select according to your system. So Windows, then I'll use it with a Docker, then npm. So keep it as it is. If you're not understanding it, just click on this Windows installer and the MSI file will get downloaded, MSI file. Okay, and after that you will have to install that file into your PC by just double clicking on that file, and it will get you to some guide, and you just have to agree and it will get installed. Okay, after installing you can check the version if it is installed in your PC or not. So you can just copy this npm-v, okay, and then just go on to the terminal here, search the terminal and just paste it the command, then enter. As you can see, I got this message 11.4.0, right? So I don't know about you, you will get, if you install, I mean, then you will definitely get that message like this 11.4.0. After that you can just come on this page and you can just copy the first command, which is Windows PowerShell for Windows. Okay, so you just have to copy this command and you'll just have to paste it here like this. Okay, so you just have to click now enter and it will get started downloading. That's it. So it will get started downloading, but I just stopped it because I don't want to download it. Okay, so yeah, let's just minimize it now. And then there is this global install you can do like this. So if your OpenClaw version is downward, like it's, let's suppose the new version of OpenClaw is 1.5 and you are at 1.4, so you will have to upgrade that. So for upgrading you can use this command, so it will get upgraded on the latest version. Okay, run the onboarding wizard, install this service. So you will have to copy this command and you will have to paste that command into your terminal. Okay, so if you go onto your terminal, you can just copy and paste that command here directly. So you have done the 2 steps, and that was the actual. So after you copy this command and paste it into your terminal, you will get this, what you will have to choose. And let's say there is a local versus remote gateway, so you can choose the local. Then what you will choose, you can choose this. Then there's this auth, so it will ask what auth token you will have to use. Let's say there is this Claude, there's this Gemini, then there is this OpenAI. So you can select anything according to you. Okay, if you have the Claude API keys, you can select the Claude, then it will ask for you to give the API keys of your Claude. Okay, so you will have to copy the API keys of Claude from the Claude dashboard, which is on your terminal or which is on your website of a Claude, into the documentation, into the settings option, you can see. Okay, so then there's this providers. You can select the provider, with which provider you want to connect your OpenClaw, like let's say WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord. Then there's just too much of providers. You can background install, it will get background install. Okay, daemon and gateway token. Okay, so where it lives important, then yeah, we have set it the API key. It will ask for API key, you will have to just add the API key. Okay, then you can start the gateway. If you install the service during onboarding, the gateway should be already running, and if it's not running, then you can just check it if it's running or not. You can just use this commands, OpenClaw status, OpenClaw health, for that. Okay, so if you copy this OpenClaw gateway status, it will show you if it's running or not. Okay, or you can just manual run by using OpenClaw gateway, then dash port and the port number, then dash verbose. Okay, then there's this quick verify you can do. Okay, like if it's running, what is the health, what is the status, if it will show green and all. Then pair plus connect your first chat surface. If you want to start the login, like let's say WhatsApp login, so you can just copy this and you will get the WhatsApp login and all. Okay, you will connect the same thing like Discord, Telegram. If you clicked on Telegram, okay, so it will show how you can do to connect the Telegram bot with the OpenClaw bot. Okay, so what you will have to do is just copy this link. Say if I have to just create the new bot, this bot is okay. So if, let's say I'll just delete that API key, which I just which is just what we say got the revealed. So I'll just revoke I'll revoke it, and I don't need that bot. I'll just delete it. Okay, no, yes, delete the bot. Okay, so yes, I'm 100% sure that it will get deleted. Now you will have to create a new bot, so write just slash, I guess, yeah, slash, yes, and so new bot. Okay, enter and write new bot. How we are going to call it, you can call anything the bot name. Let's say I'll just choose the demo bot. Okay, then you will have to write the username, like at the end there should be the slash, there should be written bot, so it will accept it. So if I say demo bot underscore bot, okay, it's already taken, so I'll just keep another username. Let's say demo /bot. Sorry, this username it's already taken, so let's say demo bot Yusuf underscore bot. Okay, so it completed. Now it will give the link, like it will give this, use this token to access the HTTP API. This is your API key, you can use this. Okay, so if I click on this bot, it will go get me here, and this bot will serve as the OpenClaw bot. Okay, so you can just copy this API key and you can use that into your env file. So yeah, that's how the bot will get active then. And let's say then there's this Discord you can do, and there's this Discord, so ready for DM and guild text channels. You can create the bot of the Discord by following these steps. Okay, so yeah, after creating the bot, you will have to do the same thing, like copy the bot tokens and paste into the env file, or if it asks in the CLI, you can just paste that. Okay, you can paste just there. That's it. So that's how you can connect this all things, and it have all the guide in it. You will just have to read it, and if you don't understand, you can just search on Google, because you will definitely get it. I mean, it's all the pretty much information, all the necessary information is already there, so you don't have to go on to some video and something else. Also, that's how you can connect. Yeah, that's how you can create the new bot also. It's already said here, like Discord developer portal, you will have to visit the Discord developer portal. So Discord developer portal. Okay, here you can just go on to this developer portal. Okay, here and then you'll have to click on applications. Let's say what does it say? Okay, so applications and then new applications. So click on this new applications and you will have to write your bot name and then create the bot, like let's say demo Yusuf. Okay, sorry, demo Yusuf bot. You'll have to agree this and that's created. Let's go into the bot. Yeah, this is the token which you will have to use. Okay, then there is this bot permissions administrator. So what it's saying, you will have to follow you should have to give all the permissions. So let's say there's this view channel, send messages, read message history, embed links. So you have to find that permissions there and you have to select that permissions according to that. So there's this send messages, so you'll have to select this send messages and it will get selected. So that's how you can give this all permission here and then just click on save. Okay, yeah, so avoid administrator unless you are debugging. So you don't have to give the administrator permission if you are not debugging something. Okay, so yeah, make sure you are not giving the extra permissions. Voila, bot is created. Okay, and you can, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.